Hi boys and girls, let's talk about how to use Padlet, and specifically the art menu. So go to Padlet, it looks like an origami bird for the icon. Open that up, and then you're going to go to art menu. Now what I've done is I've created a lot of different categories that you can choose from. So in the first category, there's directions and announcements from me. In inspiring art, there's lots of different types of artwork that you can look at that are inspiring. In the third column, we have challenges. In the fourth column, we have books and websites. So I'm reading you some books, and I've also included some videos of other people reading books. Here we have 2D art. So here's a robot collage that you can look at. Drawing in 3D, monoprints, all sorts of drawings that you might be interested in doing, all different levels, all different interests. Here's 3D art. You can do origami, and you can do origami with any paper that you have at your house. So if you get ads from the grocery store in your mail, I know I get those all the time, you can make a square out of those and you can do origami. And I show you how to do that in this recording when it's Make an Origami Butterfly. Okay? So check that out. There's modeling dough, all sorts of stuff. Here's some fun art ideas you might like. Virtual field trips. You can actually go to different art museums around the world and take a look. And then I have some really inspiring videos and creative work you might like, stories about art, and an iPad challenge. So you can do any kind of artwork you want. You don't have to do something that's on this Padlet, okay? If you choose to do a drawing or an artwork, you can take a photograph of it and you can submit it on the Share and Submit page right here, okay? If you choose to look at artwork, or if you choose to watch a video, you can respond to it. So right here, we have a Respond Padlet. I'm going to open it up. Here's the Respond Padlet, and there's a video where I'm going to talk about how to use it. But basically what you can do is you can pick out one of these. I'm going to pick out this one, and then you can save the image. Okay, you can go into your photographs now, and then you can use markup. So I'm using my pencil. Oops. I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to go to Markup. Choose your color. I'm going to write with purple, and I'm going to write with a smaller pen, and I'm going to write, okay, and then you can write what you see, what you suggest. If it could talk, it would say, and then you can hit done, and then you can upload that. Okay, so let's go back to the Padlet. We're going to back out of the Respond Padlet by hitting the arrow, and here we're back at the art menu. So now I'm going to submit. I'm going to share and submit my artwork. Okay, so I'm going to click on Share and Submit, and the Google form is going to open. If you've never used a Google form before, just try it out. I think you'll be able to use it. So the first thing you're going to do is enter in your email address, write your name, put your class code, and then add file. When you go to add file, you're going to select files from your device, go to photo library, and then you can either add your response card, or you can add your artwork. You can actually add multiple things. Look at that. So if you have a couple angles of one artwork, you can add multiple. Upload. It's uploading. Okay, there it is. Now it says, do you mind if I potentially share your artwork with other people via the Sunny Hill website, my Twitter page, or print it out and display it when we return back to school? Yes, feel free to share my work. Or you might say, no, I would prefer that this piece not be shared with the world. It's okay if you don't want it shared. I just want to get your permission. The last thing it says is there anything you'd like to tell me or ask about your artwork? Whatever you want to say, okay? Submit. Now, I will get a notification that you have submitted artwork. I can't wait to see what you do.